So it's a weird kind of week because I don't have anything to unbox just yet. We have a freaking huge beater box coming in this weekend. It's going to be the most expensive beater box ever on this channel. But that's just a quick preview for you guys. But anyway, I decided to go and look at the top 3 most requested videos that you guys have been asking for basically since I started this channel. The ones that I see the most are, can you do the Hypebeast room tour? Can you show us around your house? I don't really want to do that. You guys see pretty much all of the studio in here. The studio, I guess. But yeah, you guys see pretty much everything in here. The rest of my house is kind of off the limits because that's a little bit more personal and I don't really want to get into that. Second most requested video is the tattoo video, which I'm not certain if I want to do this one yet. Literally the only tattoos I have is on my arm over here. I'm thinking about getting more, but that's for a different video. Anyway, that's the second. But the third and probably the most requested video is, can you do a follow-up video to the beater boxes? Like, can you show us exactly how much money you're making on these things? Because it's cool to see the projected profit and stuff on screen, but those are all projections. We want to see the hard numbers at the very end and see, are you actually making money on these boxes? And the thing is, I could have did this. It's just, I don't know if that would be good content for you guys, but I mean, I figured I'd take a stab since I don't have anything to open, like I said this week. So if you guys want to see how much money I actually make on beater boxes, the real dollars and cents of how much I make on these things, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are talking about how much money I actually make from beater boxes. It's gonna be interesting because this is actually a box that sold out in record time, and it's a box that we just recently unboxed on this channel, so it's fresh in your minds hopefully. And I really want to get into it and share with you guys exactly how much money you can make from these beater boxes. But before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black, the premier minimalistic jewelry company that you guys know and love by now. I'm wearing my favorite combo, which is the grenade necklace, boom, and also the wing necklace, boom. And I think the price for both of these two combined is actually less than $100 when you guys use the discount code. So that is insane. Like, that's a really good deal. A lot of these other jewelry companies will cost like 5 to 10 times more, and it's just not worth it in my opinion when you can get Rose Gold and Black the same quality for a lot less. So check out the link in the description below if you guys are interested in that. That link will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order. So low prices going even lower. It doesn't get better than that. Thank you again to Rose Gold and Black, and let's get into this video. And I also wanted to let you guys know before we start that we do have that join button next to subscribe now. So I'm sure you guys are all subscribed to the channel, which is really great. Thank you for being part of that Untitled Hana. But we also have that join button now, which is very new to the channel. Like, it just came out like I think 2 days ago. What it does is basically like Twitch, where I guess it's a membership fee of like $4.99 or something, and because of that you get like these cool badges, you get emotes, you get all of these like special perks and stuff. And the creator is also allowed to like create perks for you guys. So the perks that I have set up right now are $10 off the web store, which, I mean, you're making your money back technically and then some. So maybe that's not really smart on my part, but you have a $10 discount on untitledwarrior.com. We're also going to be doing like monthly Q&As with everybody that's a member. So basically, if you guys have any questions or whatever, I will answer all of them in that Q&A. And the last one is also notification for bento box restocks and also secret drops that I'm going to be doing on untitledwarrior.com. So I'll create notifications for that for the members so they can get like first dibs basically at untitledwarrior.com. And then also we're going to be doing these things called secret drops, where I have like certain shoes and stuff that will be going for maybe $0 that week, maybe like just 50% off or things like that. And I'll put up the link really fast in that members chat so you guys can click on it and hopefully get a free pair of shoes. So hopefully I can do that kind of more often. There will also be like Supreme stuff, Supreme stickers, like Supreme shower caps and stuff. Whatever I can put on there, I will do that. So that is all for you guys. And the thing is, guys, you guys don't need to join, okay? $4.99 a month is a lot of money, and I don't expect any of you guys to pay that. You guys are still Untitled Hana no matter what, guys. And I'm still gonna crank out the same videos for you guys, beater boxes and all of this other stuff. It's just that if you guys do rock with what we're doing and you guys do want to donate a little bit, then go ahead and click join. And I'll create as much perks as I can for you guys because you guys are blessing me, so I want to bless you guys back. So hopefully all of that works. And yeah, anyway, let's get into this. So the box that we're going to be examining today is the Cool Kicks box, because that is like literally the most recent video. I'll put it somewhere up here. I think it's up here. But that is the most recent unboxing we did for a beater box. It's not a beater box. It was a cool box. Again, the cool box sounds really, really lame. It's just a name though. It's whatever, because the box ended up being actually kind of cool. If you guys haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you check it out. Click up over here first before watching this, because it makes more sense after you watch that. But anyway, let's go over that box, because that box had 12 shoes and it sold out pretty much in record time. Well, almost sold out. I have like 3 shoes left. So we sold 9, which is a lot in the span of like a week. That's very, very quick. And so we'll go over the actual numbers right now. So we'll pull it up over here on the screen. This is the numbers that I got from the box. You can see the 12 shoes over here, and those numbers next to it are the projected like values that I thought was gonna like, you know, it was gonna sell for. Number 1, we had the Jordan 3 Mocha. This one did sell. It sold on the web store, untiedhawaii.com, if you guys want to check it out. It was a size 12, no box. I projected it at 115. Put it up on the web store for 115. It sold for 115. So I guess I'll put up another counter over here showing what it actually sold for in green versus what I projected the cost would be over here on the left. Number 2 was the Jordan 1 Yin Yang, which I valued at 75 bucks. That one actually sold for 75 bucks on the web store as well. So that's 2 for 2. Number 3 was the Air Max 90 Infrareds. This one also was projected at 180, and on the web store, lo and behold, it sold for 180. So 3 for 3. Number 4 was that Jordan 13 Olive, which was I think a size 12, no box. Most of them were size 12. Most of them didn't have boxes. And that one I projected at $100. We ended up selling that one for 100 bucks on the web store as well. Jordan 1 All-Star, very nice shoe. You guys know which one that one is. The Chameleon, that one was a size 12 with no box as well. That one we had valued at $120, and we actually sold it on the web store for $140. This is what I mean, guys. Like, you see projections on the screen and you're like, those numbers are so off, nobody's gonna buy it for that amount. People are buying it for that amount, and sometimes they're buying it for more than that amount. So I don't know why people think like, oh, nobody's gonna buy these things. I'm not doing these beater boxes because nobody buys them. Like, obviously I don't have thousands of dollars to drop every week, like of infinite money, because these things aren't selling. The shoes do sell. That's the thing. Sometimes they don't sell for the value on the screen. Sometimes they sell for more, and then sometimes they sell for less. But so far, as you guys can see on this Cool Kicks box, we're hitting the values like exactly. So that's really, really good. Very blessed that so many people came through untiedhawaii.com to cop shoes. But that wasn't the only place that we sold on. We'll keep going. So this is one of the ones that we didn't sell yet. This is the Jordan 4 11 Lab 4 red. It's that patent leather Jordan. That one we asked for $150. Nobody has bought it just yet. I do think that one is going to sell pretty soon though. It is a very nice pair. The Jordan 7 Bordeaux's, that one was a size 12, no box. We asked for 120 bucks. That one sold for 120 bucks. Yeezy Power Phase Gray. This one was a very beat up shoe. We asked $70 for this one. It sold for 70 bucks. We're hitting like all of our numbers here, which is really good. Okay, so that Jordan 13 Hyper Royal, that was a dead stock sneaker. I thought it was a dead stock sneaker, and I actually got a lot of people saying, hey, check out that tag that was on the sneaker because that looks like a fake tag. So I put it up on Twitter, asked people around like, hey, is this a fake sneaker? And people said it was kind of mixed. That one I ended up selling on GoDaddy. I think the asking price was like $230, so I ended up making 200 bucks, which is still very, very good. But yeah, that one ended up being DS. I was kind of scared. I could have probably priced it a little bit higher, but again, because people were saying it might be fake, I wanted to know if it was real like right then and there, so I could potentially like ask for a refund from Cool Kicks if it was fake. So sent it to GoDaddy. Lo and behold, it was dead stock, so I made 200 from that. Less than the price on the screen, but not by much. So the Jordan 6 Chameleon we asked for 100 bucks. That one did not sell yet. The Jordan 9 Anthracite we asked for 140. That one did not sell yet either. I would like to say though that those two I forgot to put up on the web store, so it's really hard to figure out like, are those like not moving at all, or you know, is there value there? But yeah, that was more on my fault for not putting it up on the web store. Lastly, we had the Yeezy 350 Butter, which was also a dead stock sneaker, thankfully, because Butters not doing very good. That one we said 260 on the screen. And this one we also sold on GOAT, and so we made back 235. And so what I want you guys to hear right there is that that's the thing. Like, both the dead stock sneakers I sold on apps, and because of that, we hit the asking price, which was on the screen, 230 and 260. But because of the fees, we ended up taking away 200 and 235. So that's kind of like the benefit, I guess, of having your own web store, you know, selling like locally between like person to person, because you can avoid those kinds of fees. Anyway, you guys can see the quick calculations over here of what we actually made. So far on that Cool Kicks box, we have made $1,235 back. The cost of the box was $1,030, so we made $205 so far. 205 bucks with 3 shoes left. The projected was about like 500 something bucks, I believe. I don't have it pulled up on the screen, but I think it was like 1,500 something bucks. So 500 profit. So if you think of it in terms of that, if all of the last 3 shoes sold for 100 bucks each, we'd hit 500 bucks, which would be 50% margin. So that's what I want to show you guys. Like, it's not made up. Like, I'm not making this up to say, okay, cool, we're making these like huge dollar signs like over here, like you're pricing it completely wrong so it looks like bigger than it actually is. This is what the shoes are actually selling for, guys. Like, I checked the market to make sure that it's competitive marketly priced, and people end up buying. I don't know why this is requested so much because I'm not actually showing any kind of shoes or anything, but I guess it's just kind of cool to see like the final product and just see, okay, how much is this guy actually making? So if you guys want to see more videos like this, I can, maybe for like the more expensive boxes, or you guys can put requests in the comments below for like, I don't know, past boxes that we've had. I'm sure we've sold most of those shoes at this point, so you guys can see like the final valuations. But yeah, it's just kind of weird with no shoes going on here. But if you guys want to see more of it, hit the like button down below, subscribe if you guys haven't already, comment which boxes you guys might want to see like this kind of evaluation thing done again for. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.